Hi guys, welcome to another K-Tech video. What we're going to be showing you today is how to set your sag on your motocross bikes. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure we've got the bike on the stand with both wheels off the ground, ground's nice and level. And then what we're going to do is we're using our Motool slacker tool for measuring the sag. You can do this with a tape measure as well. We just prefer to use this method as you can do it by yourself if you haven't got anyone helping you. So we've got our slacker tool fitted. We're making sure that it's zeroed correctly. And then what we're going to do is bring the bike off the stand, making sure that we've got it nice and level, bar straight. And we're going to give a good couple pushes on the seat, let it all settle. And we're going to read the measurement on our slacker tool. And then depending on where that is, we would have to adjust our sag or preload accordingly. So if we're working to a measurement of 30 mil and our slacker tool is reading 40, we're going to need to add preload to bring that sag up. And then if we're working the other way, if we've got 20 mil and we want 30, we need to remove the preload to let that sag drop down. And that is how we measure our static sag. Okay, so now, once we've set our static sag and we've got our measurements correct for that, our next thing is to do, we'll bring our rider in and they're going to come across, take their natural sitting position on the bike. So as we bring our rider in now, it's going to come, sit on the bike. Normally they would do this with all their riding gear on. They're just going to find a nice neutral position on the bike, feet on the pegs. And then you're going to hold it for them. And again, we would take a reading from our slacker tool and then change our preload accordingly. So again, if we're working to a measurement of 100 mil with our rider on, and we're working to 110 once he's on there, we would need to add preload to bring that sag up. And then again, the other way, if we want 100 mil and our sag's reading 90, we would need to remove preload to allow the sag to come down. And that's how we set our rider sag.